Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. I'm Racquel Henry, and I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 60-second video. One of the things I hear the most from writers is that they don't have time to write. Well, this is a friendly reminder that you do have time. The first thing you need to do is be really honest with yourself and ask this question. Are you serious about becoming a writer? The answer is yes. Then you're going to have to make the time. You're going to have to carve it out. And so sometimes that might mean waking up 10 minutes earlier. Sometimes you might have to go to bed 10 minutes later. Maybe you can write in the checkout line at the grocery store, or maybe even in the car pickup line when you're picking up your kids. You have to make the space for the creative life that you want. You know how the saying goes. If you want it badly enough, you'll find a way. If not, you'll find an excuse. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe for more inspiration and motivation. We also have a Patreon page and an accountability program, and you can find those links down below. Hopefully, we will see you back here on the next one. Bye!